In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Microsoft Forms, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're managing an educational project or organizing a company survey, capturing respondents' emails efficiently can enhance your follow-up capabilities and ensure you have a record of participants. First, head over to forms.office.com and sign in using your Microsoft account. Here, you can select an existing form or create a new one to suit your needs. It's important to have your form ready before configuring the email collection settings. For those using work or school accounts, Microsoft Forms offers a convenient automatic collection method. Begin by opening your form and navigating to the settings menu, accessible through the three-dot icon often called More Options. Within Settings, under the Responses section, you'll find an option to record name, which automatically captures the email of anyone logged into your organization. This feature is particularly handy for internal surveys. Additionally, enable Send Email Receipt to respondents, allowing them to receive a copy of their submitted responses. This transparency strengthens engagement and provides reassurance to your respondents. Finally, ensure your form is set to accept responses only from people within your organization, which guarantees that every submission is logged with an associated email. With these settings, you'll enjoy a streamlined process where each submission is automatically paired with an email. If you plan to share your form with the public, manual email collection might be your best bet. Begin by adding a new question to your form. Specifically, use a text question type and label it as email address. To ensure that all participants enter their emails, make this question mandatory by toggling on the required setting. If you want to further ensure the validity of the addresses entered, you can add restrictions to this field by selecting text and then email under the restrictions menu. This setup encourages users to input a proper email format, reducing the chances of receiving incorrect entries. Once your form is set up, always take the time to test it. Use the Preview feature to submit a test response yourself, and check under the Responses tab to verify that emails are being recorded accurately. If you're using the auto collection method, ensure that the emails appear as expected. Finally, when you need to access or utilize the emails you've collected, go to the Responses section and choose Open in Excel. This will export all the collected data, including emails, into a spreadsheet, making it easy to manage and use for follow-ups, newsletters, or tracking. By following these steps, you'll efficiently gather valuable contact information from your forms, maintaining clear communication channels with your respondents.